Hi everyone! It's that time of year again! Jackson's is having a big, humongous, massive watercolor sale. I'll put links to everything down below. Okay, maybe not all links to every brand because there is a limit to how much I could post in the description box. Anyway, I'm letting you all know right now so that you have time to put things in your cart and have first dibs. From my experience in telling you all about Jackson's sales, I have a feeling they're still updating their website right now. They'll probably fully announce this sale this Friday. So let me show you. From what I could see at the time of recording this voiceover, most of their watercolor paint products on their UK site are labeled as on promotion, so they're on sale. The US site, however, seems to be getting slowly updated. So what I suggest, if by Friday afternoon you don't see what you want go on promotion, then it probably won't go on promotion, and so you can make your mind whether to make your order or not. A few things I'd like to mention: if you're on the US site and want to buy Lucas or Winsor&Newton, I suggest going to the UK site, finding the product you want, and add it to your cart. I've done this a few times and it always works for me as well as others. As for Michael Harding, I can see that it's now shown on the US site, but the link is rather unreliable for me at least, so if you experience the same issue, then I suggest also going to the UK site to shop Michael Harding from there. Moving on, I'm not sure if everyone knows this yet, but I haven't really seen many people talk about this. Apparently, Daniel Smith dropped some new colors a while ago, and they've been available on Jackson's for a while now. The colors are the 5 colors you see in the red box on screen right now. If you've been following me, then you'll know I got myself the Chrome Titanate Yellow already. And then just wanted to remind you about the Offers tab that contains some other sales and clearance items. Personally, I didn't see anything of interest generally, but maybe you will, so have a browse if you'd like. Now, I know most of you watching this probably have been following me and supporting me by using my affiliate links below. So, as always, I want to truly thank you, all of you, for your generosity and kindness. As I've mentioned in the past, I know it's a conscious effort to make to click my link before you make your purchases, so for that, I truly, deeply thank you, all of you. Thank you, everyone! Now, for those of you who have never shopped on Jackson's before, you can get an extra 10% off on your first order by using my affiliate links below. I often get asked how to get the extra 10% off, or how do you make sure I get the commission. Basically, all you have to do is shop as you normally would, put things in your cart, and right before checkout, click on any one of my Jackson's links below. You won't be notified on screen, but it'll most likely have gone through, and that's it. Okay, I won't keep you all any longer now. Have fun shopping, everyone! Oh, don't forget, drink lots of water and stay hydrated.